I wrote for sure.
Well, I mean, and it's so interesting hearing you play with this sort of instrumentation, because you really have to use your voice and dynamic range to express the emotional spectrum and intensity of the song. Like, is it a good challenge as a musician to sort of boil things right down, to distill things right down to guitar voice? It's so primal, you know?
Yeah, and I guess that's what most of my life I've just played with me and a guitar. I've just been touring around doing that. It's only the last couple of years that I have had the privilege of having a band with me on the road. But this tour is sort of half and half. Starting tomorrow, I'll have the band for the next couple of weekends, and then I'll be doing small hall sessions in Hawke's Bay. Will be just me and a guitar, and my sister Nicola will be joining me as well. And I think they're just different. They're great for different reasons, and I'm excited that I get to do both.
There's a glorious segue to your tour across Aotearoa, which is starting tomorrow. Where does it begin? Where do you go?
We're doing Dunedin tomorrow at Eric's, and then we are going to play Ultimate Course in Wellington, which I've been wanting to play for years and years, so I'm very excited about that one.
It's the 17th of August.
17th is an early show, Sunday night, doors at 5 p.m. And then we have got Christchurch on Thursday next week at the beautiful Piano, and then Auckland at the Tuning Fork.
Great, fantastic. And then you'll be in Brisbane for a while as well, in case any fans get you over to Brisbane for that. You're going to be in Hawke's Bay in September too, yeah?
Yes, I've got 3 shows, including one in Napier in the Hawke's Bay region, part of small hall sessions. So 7 in total, and I can't wait.
Do you like performing in those smaller environments and more intimate environments?
Yeah, I think it's both is good for different reasons, but last time we did the small halls, I had the best time, so I'm super excited to go back and do those shows.
We're focusing today on the new album, but I'm assuming will you be doing the whole catalogue for these shows?
Yeah, a mix of a few different things, and I've got some special guests at Dunedin. I'll have both of my sisters, and my dad will be there tomorrow as well. And we've got Katie Thompson, who is a Christchurch-based singer-songwriter and a great friend of mine. She's the support for the tour. So there'll be lots going on, but definitely some older songs and lots of Forest House.
Love it. So many texts coming in. Listeners are absolutely loving you tonight. Today, rather breathtaking vocals. There's someone I have goosebumps. New Jenny Mitchell fan, just amazing. Jenny Mitchell singing is so beautiful. Thank you, Linda from Nelson. Oh, just absolutely tainted. We have time for 2 more songs, I think. Let's have another one. The Curse. Tell us about this one.
Yes, this is sort of, it feels like a songwriter song, and it's about loving, travelling and